exercise 2a. Third question. 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus up to 1 by 2n minus 1 of 2n plus 1 equal to n by 2n plus 1. n by 2n plus 1. Okay, we need to prove this question. 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus up to so on. 1 by 2n minus 1 of 2n plus 1 equal to n by 2n plus 1. Actually, here the nth term is given. First term, second term, third term, up to so on nth term. So nth term is given. If at all nth term is not given, we need to find out the nth term. So here it is given, no need to find. But if it is not given, definitely we need to find with the help of progressions. Okay, first 1 by 1 into 3. So majorly 3 steps. First step for n equal to 1. Second step, assume the statement is true for n equal to k. Third step, n equal to k plus 1. In the third step, we are adding some words. So first, I want to take n of t n or an equal to 1 by 2n minus 1 of 2n plus 1. So this is n term. Okay, k term 1 by 2k minus 1 of 2k plus 1. So actually what is the nth term? Nth term is called general term. Each and every term of the series is represented with this term. For example, if we are substituting n equal to 1, we will get first term. If we are substituting n equal to 5, we are getting fifth term. If we are getting n equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So if we are substituting n equal to 2, we will get a second term. So whatever the value n we are substituting, we will get that term. So I need kth term and k plus 1 term. So kth term, instead of n, I want to substitute n. K. So k plus 1 term. Instead of n, we are substituting k plus 1. 1 by 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. Now 1 by 2 into k, 2k. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 into k, 2k. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So we are adding this term on both sides in the third step. So first step, step 1 for n equal to 1. Simply n equal to 1, first term, LHS. What is the first term? 1 by 1 into 3. 1 into 3, 3. Next, RHS, right side. So, right side, this one. Instead of n, we are adding 1. 1 by 2 of 1 plus 1. So, 1 by 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. LHS equal to RHS. So, left side, right side equal. Therefore, the statement is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. So assume, in the second step we are considering, assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. So assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. So writing instead of n, write k. 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus up to 1 by 2k minus 1 of 2k plus 1 equal to k by 2k plus 1. K by 2k plus 1. Now step 3. Now we prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Now we need to prove the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Further we should add some words. K plus 1 term. What is the k plus 1 term? This one. Adding 1 by 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3 on both sides. So now 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus up to so on plus 1 by 2k minus 1 of 2k plus 1 1 by 2k minus 1 of 2k plus 1 plus 1 by 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3 equal to right side k by 2k plus 1 plus 1 by 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3. Taking LCM 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3. Now numerator k of 2k plus 1 other than 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 plus everything denominator plus 1 2k square plus 3k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 2k square 3k equal to 2k plus k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 2k common in this k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3. In these two terms 2k plus 1 common. If we are taking k plus 1 common, remaining 2k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 of 2k plus 3. 2k plus 1 cancel. Now k plus 1 all which are in terms of k plus 1. 2 of this is instead of k I want to write k plus 1. 2 into k 2k 2 into 1 2 but it is 3 to balance I want to add 1. So n by 2n plus 1. So n by 2n plus 1. So it is true for therefore it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore it is true for all n belong to. So this is the question. Similar kind of question, if nth term is not given, what will we do? We will check once. So similar kind of problem. Example. Example number 4. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus up to n terms equal to n by real plus 1. So this is true for n equal to k plus 1. So 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4 into 7 up to n terms. We don't know what is the nth term. So if we observe the numerators 1, 1, 1, all the numerators are 1. So nth term numerator is also 1. So observe the series products. Observe the products in the denominator. So the products in the denominator, first term 1 into 4, 4 into 7, 7 into 10. In the all the products, observe first 1, 4, 7. So in the products, first terms are 1, 4, 7. Are in 1, 4, 7 dash are in AB. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7. So the differences are 3. So these are in A. So A equal to 1, D equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So A plus n minus 1 of D. So 1 plus n minus 1 of 3. So 1 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 3n minus 2. So this is an. So first series. So in the products, in all the products, second terms are, what are the second terms in the products? 4, 7, 10 dash are also in AB. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So these are also in AB. If these are in AB, A equal to 4, D equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. A A equal to 4, B equal to 3. A equal to A plus n minus 1 of B. What is A? A equal to 4, n minus 1 of 3. 4 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 3n plus 1. So now I want to write nth term. A Tn or An nth term equal to all the numerators are 1. Nth term numerator is also 1. 1 by all the denominators are in the product. So nth term is also product. 3n minus 2 of 3n plus 1. So these are also products. Now kth term. We need k plus 1 term and kth term. 1 by 3k minus 2 of 3k plus 1. K plus 1 term. 1 by 3 of k plus 1 minus 2. 3 of k plus 1 plus 1. Now 1 by 3 into k, 3k. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 plus 1. Now 3 into k, 3k. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1. So 1 by tk plus 1 equal 1 by 2. 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. Therefore tk plus 1. So now I want to write the series 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus up to 1 plus nth term 1 by 3n minus 2 of 3n plus 1 equal to n by 3n plus 1. Now, so this is the statement. Step 1 for n equal to 1. The remaining part as it is, similar to this one. So step 1 for n equal to 1. So for n equal to 1 means first term LHS 1 by 1 into 4 equal to 1 by 4. RHS right side n by 3n plus 1 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 1 by 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4. LHS 1 by 4. RHS is also 1 by 4. Therefore the statement is true for n equal to 1. The given statement is true for n equal to 1. Step 2. Assume the statement is true for n equal to k. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. So 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus up to so on plus 1 by. So instead of n we write k. 3k minus 2 of 3k plus 1 equal to k by 3k plus 1. Instead of n writing k. Step 3. What is step 3? So in the first step we proved, in the second step we are considering, in the third step we need to prove. Now we need to prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So for that adding which term k plus 1 term. So this term we are adding 1 by 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4 on both sides. Adding 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4 on both sides. What will we get once we will see? So first 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus up to so on plus 1 by 3k minus 2 of 3k plus 1 plus 1 by 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4 equal to 3k minus 1 of 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4, adding both sides. So up to this one same, adding this one. Now right side k by 3k plus 1, k by 3k plus 1 plus Same 1 by 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4. Same simplification like this equal to 3k plus 1 3k plus 4. So other than 3k plus 1 we have 3k plus 4 plus, so everything here, so we are getting 1 3k plus 1 3k plus 4. So k into 3k 3k square, k into 4 4k plus 1. So factorization 3k plus 1 of 3k plus 4, 3k square plus 4k, 3k plus k plus 1. So in this 3k common, k plus 1, in this plus 1 common, k plus 1. 3k plus 1, 3k plus 4. So now in these two terms, k plus 1 common, if we are taking k plus 1 common, 3k plus 1 by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. 3k plus 4 cancel. So now I want to write in terms of k plus 1. Already numerator k plus 1. Denominator where it is k, I want to write k plus 1. 3 into k, 3k. 3 into 1, 3. Here it is 4 plus 1. So now I want to write n by 3n plus 1. N by 3n plus 1. So therefore the given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore by induction it is true for all n belong to n. So next we will discuss one more. Seventh question. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to 5n minus 3. 5n minus 3 equal to n of 5n minus 1 by 2. N of 5n minus 1 by 2. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to 1 plus 5n minus 3 of equal to n of 5n minus 1 by 2. So we will discuss this question. So if we are observing this question, 2, 7, 12 is already AB. Already nth term is given, so no need to find out nth term. Here it is nth term. So if it is nth term is not given, so we need to find out nth term with the help of AN formula. So what is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 of D. N equal to, so D equal to 5, A equal to, if we substitute, we will get this term. Okay, now AN equal to 5n minus 3. AK equal to 5k minus 3 instead of n. AK plus 1 equal to 5 of k plus 1 minus 3. 5 into k, 5k. 5 into 1, 5 minus 3, 2. So we are adding this term on both sides. Okay, this is the k plus 1. First, this one. Step 1 for n equal to 1. Step 1 for n equal to 1. So I am checking for n equal to 1. LHS. What is the first term? 2. Simply 2. RHS, right side. In the right side I want to substitute n equal to 1. 1 of 5 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 equal to. So LHS to RHS 2. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, statement is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. For assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. N equal to k. So 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to so on 5k minus 3 equal to k of 5k minus 1 by 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to so on 5k minus 3 equal to k of 5k minus 1 by 2. Now step 3. Now we need to prove the given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1. Now we need to prove that given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. So for that we are adding what we need to add, k plus 1 term. What is k plus 1 term? 5k plus 2 on both sides. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus up to so on plus 5k minus 3 plus 5k plus 2 equal to what is RHS? K of 5k minus 1 by 2 plus 5k plus 2. So I want to simplify only RHS. Only right side I want to simplify. So RHS LCM 2 k into 5k 5k square k into minus 1 minus k 2 into 5k 10k 2 into 2 4 1 by 2 of 5k square 10k minus 2 9k plus 4 5 to 4 20 5 plus 4 9. So 1 by 2 of 5k square plus 5k plus 4k plus 4. So 1 by 2 of 5k comma k plus 1 plus 4 comma k plus 1 k plus 1 comma k plus 1 comma if you are taking k plus 1 comma 5k plus 4. So k plus 1 by 2 into. So actually this is also in terms of n. So I want to write in terms of k plus 1. Already it is k plus 1. 5 of I want to write k plus 1 first. 5 into k 5k 5 into 1 5. It is 4. So minus. So now k plus 1 equal to n. 5 into n minus 1 by 2. N of 5n minus 1 by 2. So therefore it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore by induction it is true for all n belong to n. So this one. Next question number 8. 8th question we will discuss. 1 plus 3 by 1 1 plus 5 by 4 1 plus 7 by 9 up to so on 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square equal to n plus 1 whole. So previously in between additions, previous questions, here the all the terms are products. So previously we are adding k plus 1 term. Here since it is product we are multiplying. First what is the n term? an equal to 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square. This is the n term. ak equal to 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square. ak plus 1 1 plus 2 of k plus 1 plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 2 into k 2k 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 by k plus 1 whole square. So we must add this one, multiply this one since it is product. Now step 1, for n equal to 1, LHS. First 1 plus 3 by 1 equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. RHS 1 plus RHS n equal to 1, 1 plus 1 whole square 2 square equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, statement is true for n equal to 1. The statement is true for n equal to 1. Step 2. Assume the statement is true for n equal to k. Assume that the statement is true for n equal to k. Instead of n, we write k. 1 plus v by 1 plus 1 plus 5 by 4, 1 plus 7 by 9, up to so on. 1 plus instead of n, k. 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square equal to k plus 1 also. Step 3. Now we prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So we need to prove it for n equal to k plus 1. For that we are adding, not adding, multiplying, since all these are products. For this problem we are adding. For all the previous problems we are adding, but only this problem we are multiplying. Multiply with 1 plus k plus 1, 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square on both sides. So 1 plus 3 by 1, 1 plus 5 by 4, 1 plus 7 by 9, up to 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square into 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square equal to right side k plus 1 whole square, left side into 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square. This is also k plus 1 whole square. K plus 1 whole square of k plus 1 whole square, taking LCM. So k plus 1 whole square plus 2k plus 3. So k plus 1 whole square cancel. Simplification. K square plus 2k plus 1 plus 2k plus 3. K square 2k plus 2k 4k 1 plus 3 4. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. K square plus 2 into k plus 2 square. So equal to k plus 2 whole square. K plus 2 whole square I will write it as k plus 1 whole square equal to, this is n plus 1 whole square. So we got n plus 1 whole square. Therefore, it is true for n equal to k plus 1. By the induction, it is true for all belong to. So this is the